Avident Digital Dentures has impacted my practice. It is what propelled me to open New Start Denture and Implant Partners. I would not have done a denture-focused practice at this point in my career without having a digital partner like Avident. It's the predictability of the outcome, the denture, the overdenture, the implant bridge. It fits every time. And that predictability in denture world did not exist before we had CAD/CAM come to dentures. And Avident is the company, the group that introduced me to that. I've been out to the facility. I was amazed by the denture design. I was amazed by the milling processes that go on out there. To watch it, it's what propelled me to continue to practice and to, want to help more patients because it's predictable.